Are you struggling to pay commissions correctly using QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop data? If yes, in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a commission plan using QuickBooks data. So first off, please check out our other videos on how to activate Sales Cookie's native sync with QuickBooks. Next, go to Plan, Add a Plan. And I'm going to show you this nifty AI plan designer where you just answer a few key questions and Sales Cookie is going to help you set up a commission plan. So I'm going to call my plan a monthly commission. Yes, my QuickBooks data has an effective date. Yes, this is measuring performance of individuals with the title or tag of sales rep. Yes, I have custom fields that's going to tell Sales Cookie which rep or reps to credit. It's cumulative based on revenue where I'm going to have 3 thresholds so let's keep my tiers really simple. Any revenue over 0, 500,000, or let's make it 1.5 million. I'm going to pay the same commission rate to keep it simple. So 1% for tier 1, 2% for tier 2, 3% for tier 3. And voila, with that, I'm going to create a plan. Sales Cookie is already showing me a quick, nice summary of my plan, but I'm really curious to see it in action. So I'm going to go to calculations, start a calculation. And before I can even get up for a coffee, Sales Cookie is already created within 30 seconds my commission calculation for the month of June. I can see how all the reps are trending, tracking against one another. I can even jump into the commission statement of a rep. So if Jane was logged in, she can see for June what her performance was, how she's trending against her peers. She can search, sort, filter, graph on any data in my QuickBooks, invoices, payments, credit receipts. She can see her payout, submit an inquiry. I'm sure your plan is a little bit more complicated than that. No worries, we've got you covered. Book a one-on-one demo with us or start a 2-week free trial to see our QuickBooks native sync and AI plan designer in action. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.